Thinking of buying your first home? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here are 6 tips to consider when you're thinking of buying your first home. First of all, work towards paying down your existing debt. Your debt to income ratio will impact the price of the home you're able to buy, as well as the potential interest rate you'll be given on your loan. Secondly, hold off on purchasing any large items made on credit. Third, save as much as you can for the down payment. A minimum down payment is currently for a loan 3.5% of your purchase price, with over 20% needed for private mortgage insurance to not be applied to your loan. Next, make sure you stay put with your current job. No job changes equals no red flags for the underwriting department. Lastly, get approved for a mortgage with a reputable lender that will have a good options for you in representing your interests, as well as the loans that are available to you and meeting your financing needs. Lastly, chat with me. Oftentimes, purchasing a home is one of the largest investments you have, so let's meet to review in full process the buying process as well as your goals in bringing those two together. We look forward to letting you know how we work with you to negotiate on your behalf, from the very first of starting to look for homes to celebrating your final closing documents. Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team. Let's meet today.